Hello, my name's Dominic Fonte with Cutler Real Estate. Thanks for tuning in today. Since you can't be with me, I want to show you an interactive virtual walkthrough with me. Now this property I'm about to show you is about 1,400 square foot. It's a bungalow. It looks like a ranch, but it's a bungalow. So you have 2 bedrooms on the first floor, 2 bedrooms on the second floor, plus a rec room, 1-car attached garage, a rustic breezeway, an open eat-in kitchen concept, which we're going to see in about a minute. The windows have been updated, shingles have been updated, siding. It's a wonderful home, beautiful bones. It just needs some cosmetics. So let me take you through this home so you can experience it. Here we go. So when I come in the front door here, you can see there's an awning, nice big awning, and a nice covered front porch. All right, so let me just open this door so you can just peek out real quick. So you can just see street view. So it's Perry Schools, Perry Township. Now when you come in, you come right into the living room. A lot of natural light coming in. Okay, so let's take a look at these windows here. You can see here there's a safety feature right here. Tip in easy clean vinyl thermal pane. You can see the outside, 1-car attached garage with a nice garage door. So when you take a look, now the color is like a grayish green color, and then there's steps to go upstairs, which we'll look at in a minute. All right, so as soon as you come in the living room from the front door, here's a short hallway. So here goes to the bedrooms, and then to the basement, and to the bathroom, and then to the eat-in kitchen. So let's take a look at that. And then this is to the rustic breezeway. Check it out. Isn't that cool? And then to the 1-car garage, and then out to the deck. So when you're sitting at your dinette, so this is where the dinette table would set, right where the camera is, and you're taking a look. Now these little, these actually open up, so if you need to serve into the other room, if you want to turn that into your dining room, you could do that. But anyhow, you can see really nice and neutral decor. So if I'm over here at the kitchen, I'm going to give you a little peek out the window so you can see the view. So here, you see right here, there's the deck, nice deck, pretty private yard. There's a little storage barn, okay. You can see, nice backyard. So that's your basic set out here. Let's take another look over here. Look at the ceiling with the beams. That's fake brick, it's not real brick. But you got plenty of windows. These are all replacement windows, by the way. So a lot of people would use that as a dining room. All right. And then the dinette table can be right here where I'm standing. Now the floor in here is nice and neutral. It's a vinyl. The cabinets were just painted, so you can always repaint those white. Another look at the living room. Okay, some leaded glass on the windows. Okay, so let's take a peek in the bathroom. So here in the bathroom, it's a tub shower combo, glass block window with a vent. The same vinyl from the kitchen carries through. Toilets updated. You got a cultured marble. And then actually behind the door, which you can't see, there's another, let me just see here. See that door? That's your linen closet, okay? So now let's take a look at the first 2 bedrooms down on the first level. All right, so the first thing you see is a built-in, which is nice. So you can put some books here. If you have someone that has some home education, this is a pink room. Replacement windows are very nice. Plaster walls. Now this is 2-wire. These aren't grounded. This is the older electric service. Nice big doors for the closet. Nice smooth ceilings. No cracks. It's really, you want to talk about a house with great bones, this is it. So if you're looking for a house for a family member and you want to do a little painting and some work, this is a gem. Now this is the orange room, so I'm not sure, but someone liked orange. Here's a desk area with some nice built-ins. Again, these windows have all been replaced. You can see nice blinds. Now you could take the dark drapes off, but yeah, this is a great little house. When you're outside looking at this property, it looks like a ranch, but then you got this little surprise bonus. I call it the OK Corral. And you'll see why in a minute here. All right. So looky here. First in, bedroom 1 with paneling and a lot of built-ins. So let's go through the OK Corral area. All right, so now there's always built-ins. What I love about this plan is you see the built-ins. So that's a knee wall. And then you have a closet here. More storage right there in the knee wall. And then look at this. Bookshelves, a desk area. And I think with COVID, a lot of people are at home working and doing school projects. Okay, let's go take a look at the other side. Again, same situation. So this is paneled. So down here, you have a little area you can set up a desk. And then you have plenty of storage all over. This is all storage. Knee wall storage here. Knee wall storage here. Storage here behind the door. All right, let's go back downstairs. So this would be the old rec room. So this is paneling. Pretty rustic, as you can see here. Glass block windows with some vents, which is really nice. Decorative fireplace. That's not a real fireplace. Now, if you're tall, this is what you got to watch. You don't want to hit that. I just go right underneath. Okay, a little bit of a back bar area here. It's real nice. Great little space. Extra storage. All right. Now over here, got a little workshop. Let's go to laundry first. Okay. So in here, you have just basically the laundry area. Wash tub, glass block windows. You can see the water tank. Now that's a 40-gallon A.O. Smith, which is 40 gallons. And you have a furnace that looks like a 85% with central air conditioning, gas fed. So the utility bills are probably very inexpensive here. All right, let's look in the workshop. All right, so there's a little workshop in here. All right, so some windows they put on just to make it more homey. Water softener. Now this is city water and sewer, so the water softener is just an added bonus. Okay, so now this electric box, if you notice, it's a 60 amp fuse box and a couple breaker boxes. So that would be something that you'd want to update, which is probably like $1,200 to do. You could see the construction is fabulous. They even cleaned the air ducts. That's what those little knobs are there, okay? Pretty nice. I wanted to thank you for tuning in today. I appreciate you seeing this virtual tour here in Perry Township. The address again is 185 Oneida Avenue Northwest, Canton, Ohio, 44708. If you want to find it on the GPS. Now check this deck out. So a really nice private yard here. Everything is vinyl sided, maintenance free. So if you want to see this tour or others, go to dominicfonte.com. Or if you want to see it, just give me a call, 330-418-1535. Or send me an email at dominic@dominicfonte.com. Thank you.